Welcome to AtlasLevy Sewing Machine Company. If you would like to learn how to sew heavy material, leather, vinyl, and other, I will give you the best way to do, so you don't have to spend so much money on upholstery machine. It all depends, not too heavy duty leather, but vinyls, regular leather, as you see over here, it's a leather right there. Anyone you want to sew, you will install few items on the machine single needle regular, which will be a plate, a special feeders, and a roller, and you install this one into the machine. We're going to demonstrate to you, plus use a needle which is a diamond point. The diamond point, it's going through any heavy leather and all, plus you spray your thread with silicone. Silicone you can get at a cheap price, and that's going to cool the needle and every time you go fast. You remove the regular needles out, remove your plate, remove your foot from your machines, and remove your feeders, and now you're installing the small feeders. Now I'm installing the small feeder for the leather. Then after, you're going to put in the plate. Tie the feet very well. Install your plate. The next one is the plate. Adjust it. Now it's in. Put your screws into the plate. Now you're going to install the roller into the machine with the flathead screw, which is supplied with all the equipment. Adjust your roller feet, which you will be sitting on the feeders. Install the diamond point. Which you will go in. Okay, now we install all the parts, the plate, the feeder, and the roller. In case the roller on your machine sitting crooked, a screw adjustment for the roller, it's right here on the front face. Then if you want to make even bigger stitch, you always can remove the stitch regulation to make it even bigger. Here you go, I'm going to demonstrate right now. Here's a leather, as you see. And we fold it, it's thick enough. and we put it underneath the foot, and we're going to do the stitches. And here's your machine sewing the leather, and you can use a guide to make it perfect stitch. As you see, as the stitch is perfectly back and forth, as you see, I put different colors so you can see the thread color and the stitches, because you're using the right item for your single needle to make a leather. I even can go higher as 4-ply, but you have to be very careful going through it. Now, I'm going to demonstrate this again, and we're going to fold and go through to a double fly. Just make sure you raise the foot, but that's too heavy. Just go from fine to double or third. 4, it's too much, but it's still sewing with a little bit help, as you see right here. And when you come to a buckle like that, raise the foot, help the machine a little bit, and you can go through it with a beautiful stitch, as you see right here on leather. Now it's 4-ply over here, 2-ply, very easy to go. And if you do vinyl, or you will do any other work, you can go through it very, very easy. As you see over here, here's your stitches. Very nice stitch on the leather, different kind of leather. And good luck to you, and I hope we see you in www.atlaslevy.com. Check us out, and thank you for your business.